Hello, and welcome to your fourth vocabulary lesson in this series. In this lesson, we will learn 20 new vocabulary words. We will use them in sentences too. There will also be some surprise questions to help you remember the words better. So get your pencil and notebook, and let's get started. Here are your first four words. Appropriate. Issue. Instruct. Village. When a thing is appropriate, it is right or correct. Appropriate. An issue is an important topic. Issue. To instruct is to teach. Instruct. A village is a very small town. Village. The man on how to answer the question. Instructs. The men spoke about that were important to the people. The men spoke about issues that were important to the people. It isn't to dress in shorts and a t-shirt for office work. It isn't appropriate to dress in shorts and a t-shirt. Life can be very simple when you work hard in a small A small village. Here are your next four words. Avoid. None. Habit. Stroll. To avoid something is to stay away from it. Avoid. None means not any of someone or something. None. A habit is a thing that you can do often. Habit. To stroll means to walk slowly and calmly. Stroll. I thought I had money, but when I opened my wallet, there was none. My wallet was empty. There was none. The woman has a very bad of smoking. A very bad habit of smoking. The woman chooses to the strange men. Avoid. She chooses to avoid them. The old couple is taking a in the park together. They are taking a stroll in the park together. Here are your next four words. Behave. Patient. Frequently. Spread. To behave is to act in a good way. Behave. If a person is patient, they are able to wait calmly. Patient. When something happens frequently, it happens often. Frequently. To spread is to move quickly to more places. Spread. Everyone had to be and wait for the building to open. Everyone had to be patient. Yeah, it's a long line. It is so important to brush your teeth. it is important to frequently brush your teeth. The hazelnut chocolate is best thickly on fresh bread. Best spread thickly on fresh bread. Sometimes it is difficult to calmly when people are angry. Sometimes it is difficult to behave calmly. Here are your next 4 words. Calm, positive, expect, shake. When someone is calm, they do not get excited or upset. Calm. If something is positive, it is good. Positive. If you expect something to happen, you will believe it will happen. Expect. To shake is to move back and forth or up and down quickly. Shake. It is important for your happiness to always think, to always think positively. That's important. The 2 men hands at the start of their meeting. They shake, or past tense, they shook. Meditation is a great way to stay and relaxed. It's a great way to stay calm and relaxed. After his meeting, the man to hear about his sale. The man expected to hear about his sale. Here are your next 4 words. Concern, punish, content, represent. Concern is a feeling of worry. Concern. To punish means to make someone suffer for breaking the rules. Punish. To be content is to be happy and not want more. Content. To represent is to speak or act for a person or a group. Represent. The boy was bad, so his father had to him. He had to punish him. After a bad business deal, the man needed a lawyer to him in court. To represent him in court. I need to relax because I am so about my test. I am so concerned about my test. I am always so to stand on the beach and relax. I am always so content. Choose the right answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. Before Mike sang A, the teacher reminded everyone to behave. When we heard the loud sound, I turned around out of habit. The man told us to be quiet, so I knew it was not appropriate to talk. They asked us to wait, so I had to be patient. I met a new friend yesterday, and I shook his hand. Choose the sentence that makes the most sense. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. Number 1, the girl's positive words made me feel better. B, the team members asked Kate to represent them at dinner. I was content to stay at home by the warm fire. The man expected me to say yes. I avoided my friend because she had laughed at me. At first, I was nervous, but then I started to feel calm. Few people live in the village. Great job today. I will see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.